Hello everyone, this is Voltage Development or Voltage Dev or Volt or whatever you like to call me. Welcome to a video in which it's not a tutorial video, but just a video where I look into a bit of coding by somebody who's made this game called Yandere Simulator. Now this is all because I got a comment from somebody telling me to, well, teach YandereDev how to code. And I would say, I would love to, but he would not be very cooperative though. So you know what, let's go ahead and look at the first piece of code, shall we? So this here is the first piece of code, and just so you know, this is also in C#, it's not in C++, Java, JavaScript, whatever. This is all in C# and in Visual Studio. Okay, so this is the code that he created for Yandere Simulator. Yeah, there's definitely a problem here. And the problem is constant use of else if. As I said in my recent tutorial about if statements, don't do it this way. I mean, else if should only happen if you've got maybe like one or two other if statements that follow the first if statement. The fact that he's got an if statement instead of an if statement, which if you did not know is called a nested if statement, and he's got another if statement instead of an if statement inside of an if. Jesus Christ, what is this? I have never seen such code, which is just absolutely stupid. I mean, I've seen code which is very complicated to even look at because of the amount of code, but this is just straight up wrong. And this is probably why Yandere Simulator runs at a bad frame rate. Apparently people have said that it runs at like 5 FPS or something. So let's just have a look at the next piece of code. So, okay, this is on Twitter, I think. Yeah, it's on Twitter because YandereDev at YandereDev. So, I don't write code? What's all this then? Function, wait. Right. So this is Java. Wait, no. Yes. No. Although with Java, it's, as I said, it's the same as C#. But the only difference is when we wrote out console.writeLine, if you remember that, that's in C#, but in Java, you write it as system.print.ln, for line, and then you put in like your text, whatever. That's Java. But yeah, C#, you do like console.writeLine, and although since this is using Unity, for some reason Java is written like this with functions, but functions are normally used for JavaScript. Although it's called Unity, well, it was called Unity Script back then until they prioritized C#. While, okay, so that's fine. If schoolwear equals 0, nude. Don't want to know about nude. Else if schoolwear equals, oh my god. Oh, this is where the problem continues. Else if schoolwear equals 1, all of this happens. Else if schoolwear equals 2, this happens. In this instance, you have to use a switch for cases. 1, it looks way better, and 2, I think it uses up less memory than the if statements. I don't know for sure though, but from what I gathered online, I think if you use switches, it uses up less memory than just doing else if. So can move it equals false. Okay, so that seems to be it of this part of the code. So, okay, if male equals false, if teacher equals false. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, look, oh my god, this is what I hate seeing. If eye color is not equal, yeah, actually I probably should have did that in my if statement tutorial. I should have done like the different operators. I might actually do that in the next C# tutorial actually. That gives me an idea for the next tutorial. If eye color equals white. I don't like how this is written. It really messes with my head. I mean, it would be so much better if like they were on different lines, but because they've structured it like this, it's just I don't like it. Oh, right, yeah, because pictures can't actually like they can't play GIFs. Okay, so how do I open up a GIF again? Oh, this is it. Oh my god. Yeah, this is very fast, but it's just showing you that you should not write else if. Wait, hang on a minute. Wait, what does that say? Else if. Can I like stop this or something? I can't bloody read this. From what I'm gathering, it's like Dad? Good? What? This is so weird. Okay, well, let's just not worry about that anymore. And you know what? I think that's pretty much it of me looking at YandereDev's code. Not gonna lie, if I could actually teach him. I mean, to be fair, I think over the past year, he's actually been making his game better as an optimization and maybe making the code look better. If the code still doesn't look better, dude, you need to consider learning how to code better. So anyways guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I know it's a little bit short, but you know what, whatever. We just had to look at YandereDev's code and wanted to give you my opinion on the code itself. Even though some of it actually, let me just see if I can find the one I'm talking about. So this right here, because it's saying if this dot teacher, I'm sorry, but this makes me feel like he's got one script that's acting like a level script, that like every single thing that's happening inside of the game is inside of that script. And for some reason it reminds me of Unreal Engine. I think like he's trying to make his script like Unreal Engine, because in Unreal Engine you've got a level blueprint script in which you pass through stuff from your world into that blueprint script thing. Well, you reference them inside of your script, and I just feel like this is like a sort of a level script. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I apologize that this is not a tutorial. It was just me looking through coding, which is just pretty bad. If you guys would like to see me do other stuff on this channel, which is not like, you know, tutorials, you know, either me playing games to see how they work with like the coding and like, the level design and stuff like that. If you guys want me to like do that, then I don't mind doing that. If you guys also would like to just see me try to actually make a game rather than showing you how to make a game, but just watching me try to actually make a game myself, then I can do that as well. But apart from that, everyone, thanks for watching. I probably said that maybe twice or something, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye everyone.